Welcome to Grow Ease. Today we're diving into the world of indoor gardening. Learn how to grow your own herbs and vegetables indoors with these simple and effective tips. Indoor gardening is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy fresh herbs and veggies year-round. It's ideal for small spaces, improves air quality, and ensures you always have fresh produce at your fingertips. Start with easy-to-grow herbs like basil, mint, and parsley, and vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and cherry tomatoes. These plants thrive indoors and require minimal maintenance. First, choose a bright spot with plenty of natural light. If natural light is limited, consider using grow lights. Ensure your pots have good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Use high-quality potting mix to provide the necessary nutrients. Plant seeds or seedlings according to the instructions on the packet. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Water your plants regularly, but don't overwater. Herbs and vegetables need consistent moisture, so check the soil before watering. Rotate your pots occasionally for even growth. Feed your plants with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every few weeks. Prune herbs regularly to encourage bushy growth and prevent them from becoming leggy. Harvest herbs by snipping off the top leaves, which encourages more growth. For vegetables, pick them when they're ripe and enjoy fresh produce straight from your indoor garden. Indoor gardening is a rewarding hobby that brings fresh, healthy produce into your home. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe to Grow Ease for more gardening tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel, Grow Ease, and join our community of indoor gardening enthusiasts.